Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare prawn with sponge gourd, that is chingri and nenua ki sabzi. So to prepare this recipe I have taken half kilo of sponge gourd, that is nenua, 400 grams of prawn, nicely cleansed. I have removed the shells and everything. 2 medium-sized onion finely sliced, 1 big tomato roughly chopped, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, turmeric powder. I'll be using a pinch to marinate these prawns, and 1/4 teaspoon in the masala I'll be adding it. Salt we'll be using as per our taste, and I'll be preparing my recipe in mustard oil. So now let's get started. So the first step, as usual, we are going to marinate these prawns with little bit of turmeric powder, little bit of salt, we will mix it. And now we will heat oil to fry these prawns. So here I have heated 2 tablespoons of oil, and now I'm going to drop these prawns in it. Friends, lower the flame when you are adding the prawn to this oil. As you can see, it crackles. And now I will fry these prawns. After a minute, you can see water started coming out from the prawns. So let the water get dried up and the prawns get a little fried texture. Then we will take it out. Now, as you can see, friends, the prawns are fried. So I will take this out in a bowl. It took me 3 minutes to fry these prawns. So now I'll take it out in the bowl. So here, friends, I have taken out the fried prawns. Now in that same oil, I'm going to add the onions. I'm going to saute the onions till it becomes little translucent. As the onions are slightly cooked, I'll add the ginger garlic paste. We'll saute it till the raw smell disappears. Now we will add the powder spices, the coriander powder, cumin powder, red chili powder, and garam masala powder. Let's mix it a little bit in the oil. Lower the flame, friends, when you are mixing the masala. Now let us add the tomatoes. We are also going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt. Remember, we have added it in the prawns, so be careful while adding salt. Little bit of water so that our masalas get mixed up nicely. And now we will cook the masala properly so that the masala gets cooked and the tomatoes also becomes nice and soft. Friends, now as you can see, the masala is nicely prepared and it started leaving oil. Also the tomatoes are cooked properly. This is the time when we will add the sponge gourd to this. After adding the sponge gourd to the masala, we will lower the flame and we will cover this and leave it for 2 minutes over medium flame. We'll leave it for 2 minutes over medium flame. After 2 minutes, we'll remove the lid. We'll mix it. As you can see, water, it started, the sponge gourd has started leaving water. Now we'll increase the flame to high. I have not added any water to this recipe, friends. You can see the sponge gourd started leaving water, so I have put it in high flame. I will cover this and let's cook for 2 more minutes. Now we'll remove the lid. Now we will add these fried prawns. Mix it. Cover this over high flame. And cook for a minute like this. Now we'll remove the lid. Mix it up again. You can check the salt now, friends. If the salt is less, you can add salt at this stage. We'll cook for a minute more. Now friends, you can see it's ready. So we'll put off the flame and we will transfer this to the serving bowl. Friends, here is our yummy Nenua and chicken ready. Sponge gourd and prawn curry ready. Nenua and Chingri. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. You can garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves also, or some green chilies. You can also garnish it with some nice fresh green chilies. Thanks for watching, friends. See you soon.